Bread Cashback Amex Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how straightforward earning cashback can be with the Bread Cashback American Express card. Most people get credit cards wrong by chasing complicated rewards, but this card keeps it simple with flat rate cashback on every purchase. The Bread Cashback Amex offers 1.5% back on all purchases, with no rotating categories or caps. Rewards are automatically applied as statement credits, so there's no hassle redeeming points. The card also includes Amex signature protections like purchase protection, extended warranty, and fraud alerts. There's no annual fee, making it an attractive option for everyday spending without worrying about losing value to fees. Digital tools let you track spending, set alerts, and manage your account seamlessly, perfect for busy people who want simplicity. The downside? Rewards are modest compared to premium cards with higher cashback in specific categories like groceries or dining. Carrying a balance will incur interest, which can negate the cashback benefits. Verdict: worth it for those who want simple, flat-rate cashback without an annual fee. Leave it if you're chasing maximum category-based rewards or luxury perks.